Hey, it's another day here. Continue working on the Q60. Let's see where we at right now. All right, so in here we got everything tightened up and ready to get the side panel installed and rear seats installed and the inside. So I got the panel here. There's supposed to be a bolt in there. It fell off. Okay, got a few clips. One clip is still in here. Gotta pull that off. Pull that out. Pull that out, and then gotta reattach this. Yeah, let's get some tools and get it done. So there's these little covers that go in the back here. That one I wasn't sure if there was a bolt underneath, but there is a bolt in here that holds the panel in place. So you have to remove this to get to the bolt. All right. Grab the back seat and put the back seat in. And in here you gotta run the seat belts through here, through the little opening. And then there's a cover that covers that up. So here we got the little covers for the back, for the seat belts. And let's install them now so they'll be fully secured instead of later. For some reason they don't get clicked in correctly and they fall out. Alrighty, the back seat is in. So looking good, except there's this kind of damage on it that I can't get out, but I'll have to still use some leather conditioners and cleaners to kind of soften it up and clean it up more, since it's been so long since it's been used. All right, so next we gotta clean this mess up and fix the wires for this. It might be just a plug and play on that side. We'll take a look. But yeah, let's fix this, clean it up. Here's a little trick. If you don't have anything to clean up the hair and some stuff like that. Get a good tape and do a little waxing, carpet waxing, let's say. Yeah, look at that, it's all full. Yeah, I'm gonna use up some of the tape, but at least I'll get it clean right now so I don't have to clean it later, because I'm gonna put the seat in and then it's gonna be impossible to get in and try to get it cleaned up later. Look at that, it's so much cleaner now. So vacuuming and a little tape and it's good. And I was looking at this wiring and look at this, it's a plug. So they cut the wire right here, but it plugs in right there. Just like that, that's in. Look at that. Interior is almost done. Alright, the seat is in. Now we can go cruising. Let's start the reassembly. Put this little bracket back on here. The old, time to get the new. All right, so I got the new panels here. Put them in. Actually, the back one first. So. Rear end is almost complete. So I didn't put all the pins and bolts in there because I gotta get the bumper repaired. There's a damage right there and a little bit right there, I think. So the bumper has to be repaired and repainted, and we'll see on the car. I might be repainting the whole car, but once we gotta get it complete, we'll see. Because the paint on this car that I'm going to be using, the fenders and the hood off, it's been repainted really poorly, so I have no choice in repainting those parts, but these we'll see. So that's it for today. Got interior assembled, got the rear end and a test fitting assembled. And did a test fit on the wheel, kind of off camera, to see how they look. Looks pretty good. Started taking this apart so I could swap everything, and here's the wheel. Gotta take it in to see if they could repair it. There's a piece missing here, so they kind of re-welded it, but it's leaking, and it's a 20 by 10 wheel. Replacement I looked up is about $585–600 for this, just the wheel, the rim itself. So it's black diamond wheels, but they look good. Gotta get a little wider tire. It has 275 on here, but it's a Lexani brand, so I don't know unless Michelin or some other one's gonna be a little wider at 275, but I'm thinking 285. See how it looks. So that's it for today. We'll be back working on it, disassembling that one, so I could swap all the needed parts on here, which is actually not that much. All I need here is the power steering pump, the belt, the coolant hoses, then I think everything was intact there. Then the AC lines from there, the AC lines going forward, tranny lines, they're good. Power steering is disconnected, so basically I just need the radiator, the fan, belt, power steering, and reassemble everything else, the fenders, headlights, bumper. It should be coming along pretty quick now. And I still need the cross member for the transmission. It's missing, and the cats and part of the exhaust gotta replace. The Y pipe, it's a little bit bent out of shape, so yeah, it's coming along pretty good. Once this is done, got other projects I need to tackle and finish up quickly. So, yep, fun stuff.